Start by settling into a position that makes you feel especially relaxed and comfortable in this moment. Focus on making ease your priority and gently close your eyes. Allow the muscles in your face to soften and release, along with the muscles in your shoulders, abdomen, and any other areas where you can relax more deeply right now. Let your body know that it is safe to unwind. This time is just for you, offering yourself kindness and compassion by letting go of tension. Express gratitude to your body for all that it does for you. As you allow your breath to become soft and gentle, move at your own pace, nurturing yourself with each breath. As you take these calming breaths, you're reminded of your journey towards self-love. Whether you're just beginning or have been on this path for a long time, tune into how thankful you are simply for being on this journey. You've made a bold and beautiful commitment, and that deserves to be honored. Feel the warmth at the center of your chest, at your heart's energy, and allow your body to relax even more. Thank it for everything it has done for you. Acknowledge your mind for the countless ways it has supported your life experiences, and appreciate your heart for all the love it has given. Honor your entire physical being for how it shows up in the world, expressing your unique self. While the journey of self-love may one day become more unconditional, take a moment now to think of at least one thing you love about yourself. Even if it's simply that you are present in this moment. That alone is enough. In your heart, say, "I love you because," and fill in the reason that feels most meaningful to you right now. You are an extraordinary person, deserving of immense love and compassion. As you connect with your heart, let it know you are ready to embrace deeper levels of self-love today, in whatever way feels best for your highest good. Take a deep breath, expanding your stomach and ribcage fully. And when you're ready, release it with a sigh. Let your breath settle into its natural rhythm. And when you're ready, slowly blink your eyes open, returning to the world around you. If it feels right, perhaps visit a mirror to say, "I love you."